Welcome back to Helper. Today, we're diving into the $HUGS token, a brand new crypto coin launching with a pre-sale and a collaboration with Milk and Mocha. His pre-sale offers a unique opportunity, potentially bringing benefits and returns to early adopters. So what exactly is $HUGS? The $HUGS token aims to fulfill a specific purpose, and it's partnering with Milk and Mocha, adding significant value. The token will have practical uses within its ecosystem. ET's look at the $HUGS token presale details. Mark your calendars because the presale has specific start and end dates, and the $HUGS price will be set for this initial offering. There will be minimum and maximum purchase limits, and only a limited number of tokens will be allocated for the presale. You'll be able to purchase $HUGS using cryptocurrencies such as ETH, SOL, or BTC. How do you actually buy $HUGS? First, you'll need a compatible wallet like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or Phantom. Next, fund your wallet with ETH, SOL, or BTC. Then, visit the official presale website, being extremely careful to verify the URL to avoid phishing scams. Connect your wallet to the site, enter the amount of $HUGS you wish to purchase, confirm the transaction, and pay the associated gas fees. Finally, you'll be able to claim your tokens after the presale concludes. Remember to double-check the website address, ensure you have enough funds for gas fees, and thoroughly read the presale's terms and conditions. ET's talk about the $HUGS whitelist. Joining the whitelist gives you guaranteed access to the presale, and may even unlock discounted pricing and early access to important project updates. To join, follow the specific instructions provided. These instructions might involve joining a Telegram group or filling out a form. Be aware of any eligibility requirements and the whitelist deadline. You may be wondering, will $HUGS be available on Ethereum, Solana, and Bitcoin? Well, the $HUGS token will be available on specific blockchains, and there may be bridges connecting these different chains. Please check where the presale will be held. As with any cryptocurrency investment, there are risks and considerations. Cryptocurrency markets are volatile, subject to market manipulation, and you could potentially lose your entire investment. Therefore, it's crucial to do your due diligence. Research the project team, read the white paper carefully, and assess your own risk tolerance before investing. Wrap up. Don't miss the opportunity to participate in the $HUGS presale. Consider joining the whitelist for potential benefits. You can find all the necessary links to the official website, social media channels, and documentation. Remember, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Helper.